and for this episode, we will be doing face contour tutorial. So, are you guys ready? I will be using a local cosmetic brand here in the Philippines, and the brand name is this one. I hope you guys can read this. So anyway, as you can notice, the packaging is neutral. It's on the neutral side, and when you open it, it has a mirror, and it should have a mirror. And as you can see, these are on the neutral side. So we have some mattes here and some shimmer. So this is like an on-the-go palette. So I will be using Buff, which is this one. I will be using it on our forehead and on my cheekbones to create them. I mean, like, to make it more defined. So let's start. So for this video, we will be using this type of brush. I don't know what it's called. So anyway, I use this one for my blush and for my contour all the time whenever I make my crime vlogs here on YouTube. So yeah, let's start now. It's kind of powdery, you know, but I don't mind as long as it's very pigmented. And guys, please do not forget to always tap 1, 2 before it touches your skin, so the pigment would not be that dense when it hits your skin. So anyway, I'll just get my mirror. So here it is. Guys, you just swirl it. Okay, just swirl it. Start from the forehead. Can you see it? It's making a big difference. So guys, if you are in doubt, so I have this saying, when you're in doubt, blend it out. So guys, I think I made a difference already. So we have created a shadow. Okay, so face contouring is very essential when you are in front of the camera all the time, like me here on YouTube. So the purpose of face contouring is to make your face smaller, so people would focus on this part instead on your forehead and on your temple. So yeah, that is the goal of face contouring. So guys, this is our final result of our forehead contouring. As you can see, we have created a shadow. Again, if you are in doubt, blend it out. I keep on saying that whenever I do my makeup. So yeah, we just made a difference. Then, let's proceed on our cheekbones. Again, we will be using Buff, this one, for our cheekbones. And again, guys, do not forget to tap 1, 2. That's enough. And let's proceed. So guys, just swirl it. Yep. Create a shadow. Did we make a big difference? Yes, we did. Just blend it out, blend it out. Then let's go to my left side. So guys, I am right-handed and most of the time, it's very difficult for me to do on my left side because again, I am right-handed. So it's always a struggle and sometimes I don't get it right. I don't get it even for my eyeshadows and for my nose contour as well. So it takes time for me to, to blend it out properly. So let's start. Swirl it. Don't forget to swirl it. Can you see the difference? Well, we will fix this. Okay. I'm going to use this one again. You know guys, I have two mirrors. This one and the mirror on the wall. Mirror, mirror, hanging on the wall. Who's the fairest on the wall chart? So guys, as you can see, this is more defined on my right side, but on the left side, again, it's a struggle. So we will fix this one by using a powder, a talcum powder to, to make it more defined. So I'll just blend it out this one on this side for a while. So just, bear with me. So guys, I am almost done. As you can see, we made a big difference on my forehead and on my cheekbones, but on the left side, we still need to improve this one. So I will be using a talcum powder to make it more defined, and I will be using a dishwashing sponge because I just don't have the perfect sponge for creating this type of chiseled cheekbones. So let's go for it. So just put out here. Then on the left side. It's better now. Then guys, we'll just let it sit for a couple of minutes, maybe 2 minutes. Then we just, dust it off. So let's make this even. So guys, we're almost done. This is called baking. So I'm not sure if I overdid this one, but it looks great. So again, we'll just let it sit for a couple of minutes, maybe a minute or two or even three, it depends. So after this one, we will dust it off and our cheekbones will be more defined. So I've got some powder on my top. It looks like a dandruff, but it's not. Whew. Dust it off, dust it off. So guys, minutes have passed and I will be using this one, this fanning brush, to dust it off. So guys, this is our So guys, this is our final result of our face contouring. As you can see, it is more chilled, it is more defined. I just have to dust it off more so it becomes more defined. So I'll just put on my lipstick and my fake lashes. So I will be using this one. This shade is Cashmere Blush for a while. Can you see it? No, you can't. It's not focusing. So anyway, it's called Cashmere Blush. Oops, sorry. So guys, I am done using my lipstick and the Cashmere Blush shade is really nice. Guys, so this is our final look. So this is my real hair. It's actually growing and I hope you like it. So we have our face contour and my fake lashes and my contact lenses and our gold, well, not super gold, gold lips. Yeah, so I think I did great for this one. And it is my first time to reveal my real hair. I am not using my wig today for this episode. And I'm not sure, maybe I'll be using my real hair for the other episodes to come. So I am not sure yet. I look great. So I hope you guys were inspired by this, face contouring episode of ours here on our channel. Yeah, we did great. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Ooh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Do you guys like it? Because I like it so much. I am not wearing that cheap wig, that very hassle to wear wig. So, I hope I could buy the real wig. I mean, like, the wig that uses real human hair. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. I love it so much. Yeah, um, this face contouring really works so much. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. I love it, guys. I love it. Whew. So guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching all of my videos. Please do not forget to click like and subscribe so I could grow. Whew. Yeah, so I'll see you again, guys, on next Monday, okay? I just keep on saying it to myself. I love this. I love this look. Yeah. Whew. This works, guys. This works. This contouring works. I keep on repeating myself over and over again. Thank you so much. Yeah. I feel great, guys. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye guys, I love my look. Bye, thank you.